Yay, we made it! Come on, let's begin and we saw the signers. Oh no, it's red! Oh no, it's red. No, it's red again. Oh, that's just normal. So we have to open up this door. Then we have to grab this again. No, it's back again! Oh, no! Oh, it's hot. And then we have to go upstairs. Then get to say hello to Lucy. Lucy, say hi. Say hi to the screen. Oh, let's kiss her. Now let's go upstairs. Now